class 12. This video lecture is based on electric potential energy and some special features of this topic. Already in my last video lecture, I discussed with you what is electric potential energy, how we find the electric potential energy of the system having two charges. We know that if we take two charges initially kept at infinite distance apart, they are not going to form a system, because as between them distance is infinity, so no force is acting, and system means collection of the charge particles, collection of the mass particles exerting some force on each other. So since they are kept at infinite distance, they are not forming a system. If we shift these charges to point M and N, they are very close to each other, then system will be formed. The amount of work done which we will do to form this system is known as electric potential of the system. For it, first we shift charge body of charge Q1 from infinity to point M. Let work done is W1. Then we shift charge body of charge Q2 kept at infinity to point N. Let this work done is W2. When we add both the work dones, we get the total work done to shift the charges from infinity to close to each other to form a system, and this total work done is called electric potential energy, represented by capital U. Now, when charge body of charge Q1 will be shifted from infinity to point M, as here no electric field is present by any other source, so the work done will be 0, because work will be done only when charge will be shifted in electric field region, and at M there is no field in the beginning. But as this charge body will be kept here, now charge body of charge Q1 will kept at M develop its own electric field region. In that electric field region, when this charge body will be shifted here, some work will be done. That work done will be charge body which is to be shifted into potential at that point where it is to be shifted. Now at this point, this charge body will develop some potential 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. This is the potential developed by charge body of charge Q1 at a distance R. So total potential energy of the system will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. What are Q1 Q2? Charges which are to be shifted, and what is our separation between them at that time they are forming a system. So this is the expression for electric potential energy of the system. Now suppose instead of forming system of 2 members, we form system of 3 members. 3 charges of values Q1, Q2 and Q3 are kept at point ABC. All are at infinite distance with respect to each other. Let A shifted to point M, B shifted to point N, and C shifted to point P, and a system is formed. If W1 is the work done to shift A from infinity to point M, W2 is the work done to shift charge from infinity to point N, and W3 is the work done to shift the charge from C to point M, then total work done will be W1 plus W2 plus W3, and this total work done will be electric potential energy of the system. Now when charge body of charge Q1 is shifted from infinity to M, here there was no field, there was no source to produce field here, So work done in first place was 0. Now when this charge body is kept here, it will produce some field here, it will produce some potential here. Let distance between M and N is distance between Mn. This distance is distance between Np, and this is the distance between Mp. So when Q1 will be kept here, here it will produce some potential. So when Q2 will be shifted from infinity to N, work done will be charge which is to be shifted into potential at N plus W3. Now when Q1 and Q2 both are kept here, both will develop potential at P. So total potential at P will be sum of the potential at P due to this member and potential at P due to this member. So when Q3 will be shifted from infinity to P, work done will be Q3 into Vp. What is Vp? Total potential at P developed by both the members. Now, where is the potential at N developed by Q1? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R Mn. Now potential at P will be sum of the potential at P due to M and sum of potential at P due to N. Now potential at P due to M will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by distance between MP, and potential at P due to N will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by distance between NP. So total potential energy of the system will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by distance between Mn plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 divided by distance between MP plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 divided by Q2 Q3 divided by distance between NP. This is the total potential of the system. Similarly, we can find the total potential energy of the system having 4 charges, 5 charges and so on. Now here, since potential energy is a scalar quantity, these charges will be taken with proper sign. This is very important point. If both the charges are having positive nature, they will be taken with positive sign. If this is of negative nature, Q3 will be taken with negative sign everywhere. This, please try to remember it. Since potential is scalar quantity, charges will be taken with proper sign. Now, if this same amount of work we are doing to form a system, sometimes in the board exam they ask how much work will be done to dismantle the system. Work done to dismantle the system. सिस्टम को तोड़ने में कितना वर्क करना पड़ेगा? Suppose you have a system of 3 charges having charges Q1, Q2, Q3. They are having some distance. They are saying how much work will be done to dismantle the system, means how much work will be done to shift the charges from here to infinite distance. So for it also, first we will find what is the total potential energy of the system. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught of this pair Q1 Q2 by R12 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught of this pair Q2 Q3 upon R23 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught potential this pair Q1 Q3 upon R13. This is the total potential of the system. Now, when the system with the members will be at infinite distance, their potential energy will be 0. At infinity, total potential energy remains 0. So the value which we are getting to when system is formed, if that value we take with negative sign, so work done to dismantle the system will be same value with negative sign. Suppose this value comes as x joule, you write here minus x joule. Suppose this value comes as minus y joule, so it will become plus y joule. That depends upon how much energy is coming. If energy is coming with positive sign, we have to do negative times of work done. If energy is coming with negative sign, we have to do positive sign of work done. Suppose such type of charges are given to the system that potential energy comes with minus sign. So if this is the potential of the system and we want to know how much work will be done to dismantle, that work done will be plus y joule. So after finding the potential of the system only, we will be able to guess how much work is done to form the system or how much work is done to dismantle the system. Now next topic related with electric potential energy is cause of repulsive and attractive force. From class 9, students usually try to ask, sir, why two charges attract each other or two charges repel each other? We say that same nature charges repel each other and opposite nature charges attract each other. Now we are in position to give the proper answer of it. In class 11, we share a topic in which we have shown you that system always try to remain in equilibrium. Stability system wants, and for stability it is must that potential energy of the system should be 0. For stability, potential energy of system should be minimum, not 0, should be minimum. This we discussed in so many articles of class 11. I have shown you the example that if we take a longer rod, if we take the shorter rod and we disturb the platform on which both are standing, then probability of finding longer rod is very high as compared to shorter rod, because shorter rod is having less potential energy, it is more stable, longer rod is having high potential energy, so it is less stable. So if a system wants stability, its potential energy should be minimum. Suppose we take two charges of same nature, kept r distance apart. Very easily we can find potential energy of the system, electric potential energy as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r. As charges we have to take with proper sign and both charges are having positive nature, so this will be positive, this will be positive, the whole term will be positive. It means in this situation potential energy will be positive. Now since if for stability system wants that potential energy should be minimum, so positive value will decrease only when they move away. As they move away, R increases, so potential energy decreases. It is the cause of repulsive force developed between two same nature charges. If we take two charges of negative nature, here q1 will be negative sign, q2 will be negative sign, again product will be positive, so potential will be positive. What happens? To minimize potential energy, they repel each other, because R increases, potential decreases, stability increases. If instead of same nature charges, we have charges of opposite nature, one is having positive charge, one is having negative charge, kept R distance apart. In this case, potential energy will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 into minus q2 by r, that is potential energy will have negative value. Now in junior classes in number line you have seen, you have read that negative value, less negative value is more as compared to more negative value. -3 is more as compared to -5. -1 is more as compared to -10. So if we are getting negative potential energy of the system and system what stability, it is for it is necessary that potential energy should be more negative. Now potential energy will become more negative when R will decrease, because the denominator will decrease, this term will increase, so negative value will increase. That is why they attract each other, because while they attract each other, separation between them decreases, so negative value of potential energy increases, hence stability also increases. So cause of repulsive force and attractive force we can explain only on the basis of the concept of electric potential energy. That is why in the beginning I told you that this topic is very important. Now sometimes in board exam they ask what will be the potential energy of the system when charges are shifted from infinity to that region where already electric field is present. Suppose this is a region where electric field is present. A charged body of charge q1 is kept here and another charged body of charge q2 is kept here. At infinite distance they are kept, so in the beginning they are not forming a system. They are shifted from here to point A and this is shifted from here to point B to form a system. We want to know what is the electric potential of the system. For it we want to know how much work will be done to form the system. From the figure, total work done will be W1 plus W2. Now when Q1 charge will be shifted from infinity to A, since at A already electric field is present, so W1 will be not 0. Since this point A is kept in electric field region, so here there will be some potential already. So W1 will be Q1 into VA. Now when Q1 charge will be kept here, this Q1 charge will produce some potential here, and because of electric field region already some potential is present here. So at B there will be two potentials. So the sum of these two is suppose potential at B. So when Q2 charge will be shifted here, total work done will be Q2 into B. Now potential at A will be given in the question, or some such language will be given so that you are able to find the potential at A. As I told you that at B there will be two potentials. One is the potential at B due to electric field, let that potential is VB dash, and one is the potential at B developed by this one. This source charge will develop some potential here whose value will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. So now total work done to form the system will be Q1 into VA plus Q2 into VB dash plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R, and this will be the electric potential energy of the system. What is VA? Potential at A due to presence of electric field there. What is VB dash? Potential at B due to the presence of electric field there. And this is the potential work done to form to bring Q2 charge because of this charge. So this is the electric potential of the system. This is very important. In your textbook also questions based on this topic are given. In board exam also questions based on this topic are very important. In competitive exam also most of the questions of electric potential remains based on this situation when we are forming a system by shifting the charges from infinity to that place where already electric field is present. So dear students, this is all about electric potential energy. My next video lecture will be on capacitor. Please do like, share and subscribe. Dear students, while you are seeing the video, please give your comments also. Your comments boost me so that I can deliver lectures in better way. Thank you.